Good morning, boys and girls. Our first morning here at 48 Lighthouse in the old Galle, and this morning we have a beautiful breakfast prepared freshly with some fruit.
I'm already halfway through my juice, so we're gonna enjoy a beautiful breakfast here. We're gonna probably take an Uber to Unawatuna beach today and check it out, because apparently all the locals ask us if we've been here because we're in Galle, so I guess it's good.
We just found a tuk-tuk that's gonna bring us to Unawatuna beach. Service here, it's so relaxed. They are on a total different vibe.
Island vibes.
Yeah, island vibe, yeah.
And island time too.
We are here for about maybe 30 minutes. They just, set us here. We'd leave some menu and then they were supposed to come back and take our order. I think they forgot us. I've been looking there and they just, chill and relax. You order whenever you want.
And usually in other places, they come to you because they really want to make sure you will order something.
Jake, you found us an activity maybe?
Yes, I wanted to go to see the turtle in Takyo, and there's a Airbnb experience thing, so it's not just for houses. Airbnb, you can also get guides and stuff like this. So there's a guy that offers a turtle tour, so you go snorkeling with turtle, and there are big turtle that come on the beach that you can feed as well. So I'm thinking whether I want to book this or not.
Just book it, It's okay. Where do I push?
Stop touching. Oh, nice. Thank you very much.
Oh.
This looks delicious. So good.
Oh, I can smell the mango from here. No, thank you.
When you walk in, so the sand is not as fine as on Marisa Beach, that's where we were, and it's also more it's also deeper when you walk into that. So to consider if you guys want to come to Unawatuna Beach.
So would I recommend this beach? Yes, it's a yes. There's no algae, it's very quiet, the restaurants are charming, affordable, the service is quite slow though, but it's a nice beach. Yeah, make a stop here. Just found some new friend. They want to be in the video. I think they are deaf and they don't speak, because between each other they speak by sign. Hello. Yeah, sure. You speak English? No English? Okay, we're gonna speak by sign. Okay, so you go here. Okay, you go here.
Your body.
version right on the beach has fantastic reviews both on Google and on TripAdvisors. They say the price to quality, it's very good here, and they have great seafood, so I want to try.
Hello. Can we sit here?
Sure.
Is there a lot of mosquitoes or no?
Some, not a lot of.
Yeah?
Yeah, better here.
I'm scared. Because sometimes they only come out at sunset.
Jade's wearing her armor protector.
I know, that's why I've been wearing a lot of long pants on this trip.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Spicy.
We love spicy.
Thailand?
Sri Lankan spicy. Thailand spicy is good, but we're not from Thailand. We're from Canada, but we very spicy.
Yeah.
Wow, this looks so yummy. Thank you.
Can we have 2 mango juice? It's got a jumbo
Seafood platter, yeah. She was
and
hesitating.
the shrimps are so big.
Yeah,
You
and
see the shrimps, they're like bigger than my hand.
the minute the waiter but I think he's more the owner, show us the platter, the hesitation just disappeared. We were like, oh,
Yeah,
okay.
because it's hard to picture, you know, when you're... But I still think it was too much food, once again.
Oh, is it surprising you? Oh my
Wow,
god,
this
this is
looks beautiful.
huge. Oh wow.
She looks great.
You guys should see what sort of kung fu Jade it's doing right now. It's very funny.
Alright guys, you wanna see what we're eating? So those jumbo prawns. Look, that's my hand.
Wow.
And that's the size of the prawn. So
You
we
have very little hand.
no, the prawns are giant. And then you have shrimps, like smaller shrimps. You have 2 fish, 1 coral fish. I don't remember what this one was called. You have salad, and you have fries,
Some fries.
and you have salt, pepper, hot pepper.
Yeah, salt, hot pepper paste, and I think ketchup.
Yes, ketchup for your fries. You
By
eat
the candle, in front of the beach view.
with the delicious mango juice.
Yeah, and Jade asked for a super spicy Sri Lankan version. Okay, so usually you guys know that we close the vlog by the time that we eat our main course, but since today we got a very special meal, this big prawn.
But look how big it is. It's like giant. So this is this jumbo prawn as big as my head. It's spicy.
Oh wow,
Oh my god.
it's like a lobster tail.
I know, it's huge.
Oh,
I can't. Oh, the shell is so
you
strong.
got some juice on you.
Right there. Ah. Look, it's like a small lobster tail. It's huge. So good, guys.
Is it with garlic?
It has garlic, spicy, and it's quite chewy because it's pretty big, but it's delicious. Your time to eat.
Alright guys, I think we're making people drooling, and I think you guys are also. If you guys like the vlog of today, like usual, hit the 3 button, that comment section. We love to read your comment. Also click the like button if you like this vlog, and subscribe if you haven't. We see you guys tomorrow.